Hi, my name is Luis Gabriel Galvan Montesioca, and my ID is CA91655. Today we're going to do or to make many scientific experiments of the class of science, or of physics. Well, follow me for the first experiment.
Well, this is the first experiment that is push and pull. So as you can see in this experiment, when we put a force, it changes the state of motion, and the book, as it as at rest, they become to move when we applied this force. Well, this is the second experiment of the day, and this experiment is a friction. As you can see in the first experiment, when we push this object, it moves normally, no? But when we put it in a towel, you can see how the friction acts in the ball. It stopped it. So that is how the friction acts in the object. Well, the third experiment of the day is the gravity by Isaac Newton. So, well, as you can see, when we drop the microphone, it falls to the floor. But a fun fact is that the value of the gravity in the Earth is of 91.81 meters per second squared. Is different of all the different planets, because only in the Earth have this value of gravity. So, well, the fourth experiment of the day is the electric force. So for this experiment, I need to rub the balloon of in my hair. So, well, we rub it fast, and then when we put it here. So I don't know if you see it, but the paper moves without the balloon touch it. You see? This is how the electric force make that force that do that the paper moves without touching. So, well, this is the last experiment of the day, that is the unit of force. So for this experiment, we put here these fruits, and as you can see, it's more or less 100 grams, that is equal of 0.1 kilograms. So for this experiment, I'm going to explain you what is a Newton. The Newton is the same as you say, that 0.1 kilograms times 9.81, that is the unit or the value of gravity, it's equal of 1 Newton. So, well, this is the end of this experiment, and well, thank you. Well, to the end of the video, we are going to see the free body diagram. As you can see in the drawing, is a table and a book. So, well, we can see the normal force acting in the book. Upward and downward is the weight of the book, or the gravity that we see in the other experiments. So this diagram is only to analyze and to see how the forces act, and is a balance of these forces in the object, that in this case is the book. So, well, this is the end of the video. I hope you liking, and well, goodbye.